Hello, this is Matt from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, what we have is a Maytag Neptune dryer. Customer's complaint is that it's making a loud noise. I'll go ahead and start it up, let you hear the noise. So seems like maybe something going on with the blower wheel. So we're going to go ahead and take it apart and see what we can find. We're going to go ahead and remove the 4 Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Now the door will kind of still hang on its hinges. Whoever worked on this last just put the wrong size screw in there, so we just had to put a little bit of extra force on to remove the screw. So I leave the door intact here. Just go ahead and grab it, pop the front off. Set that up out of the way. Now at this point you can just grab the door and just lift it straight up off the hinge. And we've got 5/16 screws that are going to hold the housing on. And then we take the 2 5/16 on these little clips here off. Kind of turn out like that. They just hook right up underneath the top there. Just lay those out. Gotta just set this off to the side here. And what happened is the blower wheel on here has slid forward and it's actually rubbing on the front housing here. Very loose, and it's been actually getting chewed up. You see the fins here are all chewed up by rubbing on this front housing, and it's just very loose. There should be a clamp or something that's going to hold that in place, which is not there, so the blower wheel itself is going to need to be replaced. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the blower housing, the cover. I'll be taking off all the 1/4 inch screws. I use a flexible bit just because the one down there at the bottom is kind of hard to get to with your drill. There's one 5/16 screw right down there at the bottom of the bracket. Pull that off. Got one more 1/4 inch left. Remove your cover. All your thermostats can still stay there. Just sort of swing it over to the side. You can see how chewed up this blower wheel is here, just from rubbing on there. So what we should have on here is there should be a C-clip and also a clamp. So C-clip is just missing on this one, and there's no clamp. So we're going to have to replace the blower wheel, put a new C-clip on there, and a new clamp. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.